Hello friends, welcome to GrowMax Abacus. In last session we have learned unit place fingering. In today's session we are going to learn tens place fingering. Before starting, I hope you all have completed book up to page number 9. So let's get started. See, hold abacus like this. We have learned this before also. In this session I am repeating also. Make your hand relax like this. Hold abacus with these 3 fingers, that is little finger, ring finger and thumb. These 2 fingers should be free as they are operating finger. See, for adding 50 and lessing 50 we have to use middle finger. For adding and lessing the lower beads we have to use index finger like this. Add 40, less 30. Now see, if I want to add 70, add 20, less 30, add 20. Have you got it? Let's have practice with me. I am doing it on my abacus and you have to do it on your abacus. Take 90, less 30, add 20, less 60, add 70, less 20, less 20, less 50, add 80, less 60, add 70, less 80, add 30. Now you have to complete page number 10. Just pause the video and complete page number 10 in your book. I hope you all have completed page number 10. Now see how to use both hands. See, if I want to add 33, 30 and for unit place you have to use thumb 33. For lessing 22, less 22, add 33, less 22, add 55, less 66, add 33, less 22, less 22. Have you got it? Now you have to complete page number 11 to 14 in your book. Thank you.